Welcome to Vivero Growers Nursery. I'm Brandon,
I'm also Brandon.
and today we have a few tips for growing succulents.
Succulents have a real fine root structure, so use a real loose, fine soil. Also, succulents don't like to sit in water, so make sure the pot drains or the area of the garden drains. Also, they love sunlight, so you can move them around and give them some sunlight. And design-wise, there's no rules. You do what you like, and you mix and match what you think looks best, and have fun. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right.